Okay, today we're gonna see something that is ever rarely seen in the wild today. A fox and an ostrich working together to do something important, or that they think is important. Now, let's see what we have here today. Here we have the ostrich, with long legs, with blonde hair, obsolete and cannot fly worth crap. Here we have the fox, cunning, sly, and trying to act foxy, but it never works out. Let's see what happens when I get closer to them. I gotta be really careful. They might attack me, so don't be afraid. Here we have them, both looking at me, not moving.